everyone. How are you? I hope all are fine. So today we are going to see our maths class. Am I correct? Yes. So last week what we learned? We learned addition. Addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. That one we studied. Then I gave homework, right? 2 sums I gave homework. See the answer. Everyone got this answer? Just you check, okay? See here 631. The first answer is 631. The second answer is 734. Okay? 734. So, everyone got correct answer. Is it? Yes. So, all of you take your book, take your pens, pencil, eraser, everything you have to take. Okay? Keep it with you. Okay? Today, we are going to see subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay? Addition, what is the symbol of addition? Plus. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Am I correct? Subtraction means the symbol is minus. Okay, subtraction of 3-digit numbers. So, first see this. All of you take page number 34. Take page number 34, exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Take your book, page number 34. Go fast, all of you take your book, semester 2 book. 34, exercise 2.3. First you have to listen, then you have to write the answer. Okay ma? Understood? So, now all of you ready, okay? To listen. Yes, okay. See here, 595 and 378 is given. First, the question is, read the question, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Then, see here, everything is given, right? Sometimes only the question will be given. What you have to do? You have to write. First you have to write the bigger number, then you have to write the smaller number, then you have to subtract. Like that only you will subtract, right? So first you listen this one. Afterwards I will say that one. Okay. So see here 595 and 378. So from this what you have to do? 5 minus 8. See here 5 is the smallest number, 8 is the biggest number. So you can't subtract. Am I correct, student? Yes or no? Yes. Listen carefully. See here the first sum. See here in the ones place 5 is given. Here 8 is given. So okay. In the ones place here 5. Here 8. So 5 and 8. What is there? 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 means this 5 is the smallest number. Here 8 is the biggest number. So you can't subtract. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here. In the tens place, the number you have to borrow from here. If you borrow one number to here, here the number will be what? Yes, here the number will be 8. Just you cut and write 8. Yes, if you borrow one number from here to here means here 8 will come. 1/10 you are taking here, right? 1/10. Am I correct? Yes. So, tens value you have to write 1. 1 here. Okay. How many tens you are taking? This is not ones, here tens. So, how many tens you are taking? One number you are taking. But that is in tens place. So, in the tens place you have to write 1. Understood ma? So, 15. So, 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. Understood? Everyone? Tens, 1/10 you are taking. So, you have to write in the tens place. Okay. So, 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. How many fingers you have? Only 10 fingers you have, right? So, what you have to do? 15 minus 8 means? Yes. What you have to do? Yes. 15 you have to take in your mind, right? 8 you have to take. 8 fingers you have to take. Okay, all of you take 8 fingers. See this, 8 are given. So, how many fingers you have to take? All of you take 8 fingers in your hand. Before number you have to say. 15 before what number will come, you have to say. Okay, understood ma? Then you have to fold the finger also. Okay, see the second number. The second number is what? 8. Listen carefully. The second number is 8. That much finger you have to take. All of you take 8 fingers in your hand. Yes. So, here 15 is given. So, 15 before what number will come? 14. Then 14 and say just fold the finger. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So which number is coming? 7. So you have to write 7 here. Understood everyone? Again and again I am saying, listen carefully, okay? Once again I am telling, listen carefully. Here 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means what you have to do? Yes, you have to take 8 fingers. Here 8 is given. So you have to take 8 fingers. Understood ma? You have to take 8 fingers. Okay? Then 15 is given. So 15 before what number will come? Just say and fold the finger. 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So what is the answer here? 7. Okay. The next one, 8 minus 7. That you have to know. 8. You have to take 8 fingers. 7 fingers you have to fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then remaining how many fingers are there? 1. So you have to write 1. Okay. Then here 5. You have to take 5 fingers. Then how many fingers you have to fold? 3. 1, 2, 3. Then how many fingers are there? 2. So you have to write 2. Okay. Now you understood, right? So everyone take your pencil and write here 217. What is this? 217. Okay. Okay, everyone written? Yes, very good. Then put your pencil down. Then listen the next sum. See here, 4 minus 6. What is this? 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 means this is smaller number, this is greatest number. So you can't subtract. Am I correct? You can't subtract because this is 4 and 6. So what you have to do? You have to borrow in the tens place. In the tens place 4 is there. So you have to borrow one number here. So if you borrow this number, one number will less, right? So 4 means here 3 will come. Okay, so 1 tens means here 1. In the tens place you have to write 1. Okay, so here 14 minus 6. Am I correct, student? Yes, 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 means how you have to take? Yes, you have to take how many fingers? You have to see the second one, 6. So you have to take how many fingers in your hand? Yes, 6 fingers you have to take. Okay, ma? 6 fingers you have to take. Then how many fingers? How many numbers you have to take in your mind? 14. Okay, so 14 before you have to count and fold the fingers. So 6 after what number will come? 6. You have to take 6 fingers. Then 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Am I correct? So what is the answer here? 8 is the answer. Okay, once again I am telling, see here. See the second number. In the ones place, see the second one. 6 is given. So you have to take 6 fingers. Easy concept, okay? See here, 6 fingers you have to take. If you take 6 fingers, then 14 before. Here 14 is given. So 14 before what number will come? Yes, of course, 13. Yes, then 12, 13, 12, 11, then 10, then 10 before number 9, 9 before 8. So you have to write 8 here. Okay. Then 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 means again this is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. So what you have to do? Yes, again you have to borrow from here. Okay. So here if you borrow here means here 3 will come. Here again 1 you are taking, right? So 13 will come. Am I correct? 13. 13 will come. Yes. 1 you are taking here, right? Here in the tens place you are taking 1. So 13 minus 6. Again what you have to do? Yes, you have to take again 6 fingers because here 6 is given. So you have to take 6 fingers. 13 before what number will come? You have to say 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So what is the answer here? 7. Okay. Everyone understood? Yes. Then 3 minus 2, that you know. 3 you have to take 3 fingers in your hand. Then 2 fingers you have to fold, remaining 1. So take your pencil and write the answer. The answer is 178. Okay. Write the answer as 178. So 2 sums we completed. Am I correct? Yes. So see the next one. See sum. You have to answer, okay? See some. See here, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 8 minus 5. So first what you have to do, see the ones place, okay? No need to start in the hundreds place. You have to start with in the ones place, okay? You have to start with ones place. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 means here 3 is the smallest number, 4 is the biggest number. So you can't do the subtraction. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here. So if you borrow here means here 1 will come. Here you have to write 1. Okay. Then 13 minus 4. Again what you have to do? You have to check. See the number 4. Take 4 fingers. Then 13 before 12, 11, then 10, 9. So what is the answer here? 9. Then 1 minus 5 also, this is the smallest number, this is the biggest number. So you can't do. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here. If you borrow from here, here 7 will come. Here already 1 is there, right? Am I correct? Yes. 1 is there. So again this 1 will come. Here you are borrowing here, so 1 will come. Okay. So total 11. So here 5. 5 you have to take, then before number you have to say 5 before. What number will come? Sorry, 11 before. See the second number is 5. So 11 before what number will come? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So write 6 here. Then this one, 7 you have to take, because this is biggest number, this is smallest number. So you have to take 7 fingers in your hand, fold 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. So you have to write here 269. Am I correct, students? Yes, 269. So take your pencil and write 269. All of you write 269. Okay, understood everyone? Yes. The next one. Put your pencil down and listen. Next one is 724 and 325. Okay. 724 and 325. See here 4 minus 5. You can't do, right? Because this is the smallest number, this is the biggest number. Am I correct? Yes. So what you have to do? From here to here you have to borrow. If you borrow this one as 1, this one come. 1 you will borrow, right? So here 1. So how many fingers you have to take? You have to take 5 fingers. Then 14 before 13. Then 12, 11, 10, 10 before number 9. So you have to write 9 here. Then 1 minus 2 also you can't do, because this is the smallest number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. So here 6 will come here 11. Am I correct? Yes. So how many fingers you have to take? 2 fingers. So 11 before 10, 10 before 9. So you have to write 9. Okay. Then 6 minus 3 you know. You have to take 6 fingers. Then fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then how many fingers are there? 3. So you have to write 3. Okay. These and all you already learned, right? Subtraction, everything. That's why I am going little fast. Okay. You already studied. That's why. Okay. If you have any doubt, you have to ask. Just a simple concept only. What if you can't do the subtraction means you have to borrow from here. So here 1 will subtract. Here you have to write 1. Then you subtract. That much only. Okay. If you are practicing again and again, then it will be very easy. Okay. So everyone completed, right? All of you take a pencil and write. Okay. First answer is 217. The second one is 178. And the third one is 269. And the fourth one is 399. Okay, understood everyone? So everyone completed these 4 sums. Am I correct, ma? Yes. So see the next one. See here everyone. 698, 389. See here 698 and 389. So in these sum you have to do. See here 8 minus 9 you can't do, right? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here to here, of course, right? So here what will come? 8 will come. Here 1. So 18 and 9 you have to subtract. So how many fingers you have to take? You have to take 9 fingers. Yes. Yes, you have to take 9 fingers. 18 before what number will come? 17, 16, 15, then 14, then 13, then 12, 11, then 10, 9. So what is the answer here? 9. Then 8 minus 8, you know. If you are taking 8 fingers, then 8 fingers you are folding means 0. So 0. Then here 6 minus 3 means you are taking 6 fingers. Then if you are folding 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 fingers are there. So you have to write 3. So take your pencil and write all of you 309. Okay? 309. Okay? Everyone completed? Okay. See the next one. 960 and 574. So here see 0 minus 4 means what you have to do? You can't subtract, right? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. So here if you borrow means here 5 will come, here 1. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 means 10. You have to take 10 fingers in your hand, then fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers you have to fold. So how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fingers are there. You have to write 6. Then 5 minus 7 also you can't do. Because 5 is the smallest number, 7 is the greatest number, right? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. So here the sum is 8, here 15. So 7 fingers you have to take. Then 15 before 7, 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, then 10 before 9, 8. So you have to write 8 here. Then 8 minus 5 means you have to take 8 fingers. 5 fingers you have to fold, remaining 3. So all of you take a pencil and write 386. Okay. So everyone completed, right? This sum 309, 309, 309, 386, 386, 386. Everyone completed, ma? So today we completed the subtraction, right? Simple method, you have to borrow. Okay, you have to borrow. Then what you have to do? Second number. See the second number. Second number you have to take in finger. Then this number you have to take in your mind, and before number you have to say and fold the fingers. Okay, that is the concept. Understood, ma? Understood? Yes. First you have to write the biggest number. Okay. See here. See, everyone completed this one. 6 sums, everyone completed. Okay, just listen here. Second one, solve the following word problems. Solve the following word problems. Raju's mother gave him 950. He spent 485. How much money is left with Raju? Actually, Raju's mother gave how many rupees? 950. He spent how many rupees? 485. Okay, 485. So you have to subtract and write. Okay, here also in a theater there were 865 people. So 865. Then out of them 286 were children. So 286 were children. Then you subtract. Okay. Next class I will say the answer. This is homework. Okay. You have to do. Okay. After complete this class, you have to write these two one. Okay. Okay, ma. So this worksheet also, see, just listen this worksheet. See here, 564 plus 200. You have to add. Am I correct? So here also 867 minus 100. Here you have to do the problems and match. Okay. Like that you have to do. Okay. Understood, ma, everyone? So what you have to do after this class, you have to do these two sums. Okay. Understood? So we completed addition and subtraction in this chapter. Yes? Yes. So we completed the chapter 2. Am I correct? Yes. If you have any doubt, you have to contact me. Okay. And ask your doubts. Then next class onwards, I will take multiplication. Okay. New chapter, multiplication. So at least you have to complete up to 7 tables. Understood, ma? Without knowing the tables, you can't do the sums. So before that you have to study, okay? Up to 7 tables you have to learn. Now for the next class, okay? So learn the multiplication again and again, okay? Understood ma? Again and again you have to learn the multiplication. Daily you have to write 2 times, okay? Daily you have to say the tables, okay? Understood? So next class we will see the multiplication. So today we learned subtraction, and the last class we studied addition. So in this chapter, if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Before that, you have to do these 2 sums. Okay, ma? Okay. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.